Guys, today I'm very excited. I just want to show you how to ice a strawberry cake. And here today I baked 2 cakes separately, so I'm going to show you how we are going to ice and then I decorate it. Yeah, so here we go. I start by putting my half cup or 1 stick of butter in my bowl, which was at room temperature. Make sure it's at room temperature. And then I have my icing sugar. I need 4 cups of these. I have my fresh strawberry fruit, which I will use to decorate. I also have strawberry yogurt, and then a strawberry jam or strawberry syrup. You can have either one of these. Then here I'm gonna need 1 cup. So here I used a half cup of chocolate chips or candy melts, and then half cup of my heavy cream. Yeah, so this is all we need. Right now I'm starting by having my butter and beating it with my hand mixer. There we go. So now I start by adding 1 cup of my powdered sugar or icing sugar. There you go. So now I added my 2nd cup, and then I have to add a little yogurt just to give it a taste, right? And then I go on to beat again. Right, you can see that my batter is thickening, so I will need to add a little cream. Finally, I add my last cup. As you can see, now I have a nice buttercream which can stand on its peak like that. Then you can see that it's good, right? So I go on to remove this. We don't want to waste, so we remove everything. So now I go on to spread my icing on the first part. Like that. Make sure that you put a nice layer so that when you're eating it you really enjoy your cream, right? Then after that you can choose to either put your jam or your syrup. So today I just want to use syrup because it's not as sweet as the jam. Now you go on to spread the top. Now I have to dip my knife into the hot water so that I give a nice look on the top. Just like that. Then if you have a scraper with you, like this one, you can use it to run around the sides to make sure that it's nice and straight, and also that there's not too much icing on the cake. Like that. Now as you can see, my cake is almost perfect. I like it, so I have to put this away for like 30 minutes in the fridge whilst we work on the chocolate chips. So I have to put this one away, let it chill. Then my heavy cream, I put it like 30 seconds for the first time. Then I will add on another 30 seconds if it's not hot enough. Right, whilst my heavy cream is boiling, I start like breaking up these so that they become easier to melt. You have to break them into smaller pieces like this. Right, and I can also check or add another 30 seconds to my cream. I want it to start boiling. When it starts bubbling, you have to stop like that. So I have to take out my heavy cream from the microwave, and as you can see, it was starting to bubble. Then I have to pour it over the chocolate chips, and then I let it stand for a minute before I start stirring it like that. Meanwhile, I have to grab my red color so that I will add onto my whipping cream. I also need this. You can have this whisker, or you can have a fork if you don't have something like this, for you to be able to beat nicely. And so you have to have a nice thick cream. see it's now consistent. Right, then I add my color. Add a few drops at a time until you get your desired color. Yeah, this is a nice pink, but I like it a little bit red. Right, you can see it's coming up. Like I said, it depends upon you what you want. Like if you want it pink, if you want it red, you keep on adding red. Right, I think mine is dark pink. I don't know what color you might want to call it, but it's a shade of red, that's what I know. Right, I think for me it's good enough. Just make sure you stir it to a consistent mix like that. Here we go. And I put this away and I grab my cake from the fridge. So now I have to get my spatula, sorry, my scoop spoon, and then I start applying in the edges first because I want it to drip. Now here comes my favorite part, where we are going to pipe around the cake, do designs. Like I said, I love my icing gun, which I use to pipe. You can use an icing bag to do the same thing. So here I have to fill it like that. It up. And then you have to find a nice design from your nozzles, and then I close. So now for the bottom line, I'm going to change my nozzle just to show you that you can do different styles with different designs with different nozzles, right? That one. So then we go on to take the strawberries. They are now going to sit around your cake. Like I said, I had cut them in half. Then you might want maybe just to add a little wow. There you go. You can do whatever you want. Your creativity here matters. Like I said. Isn't it a wow? You can say that again. It's a wow. Nice strawberry flavored cake with a decoration of strawberry, all strawberry I can say. So right, go ahead and make yourself one and design. I think I've shown you most of the tips how to go about it. And make sure that if you are new to my channel, you subscribe and press the like button, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos. Wow, let's meet again in the next video. Bye for now.